Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about that how we can install Windows on a VirtualBox. So firstly we need to install VirtualBox. So if you haven't installed the VirtualBox you can install it. And step 2 we need to download the Windows OV file and we need to unzip it. So let's see how we are going to unzip it. So firstly you have to go through this Windows 10 OV file and there is a particular link. If you will go in the first one, then you will get the Windows 11. So if you want for the Windows 11 you can just click on that VirtualBox, but here I'm going to uh, show you that 7, 8 and 10. So basically I will be installing Windows 10. Windows 7 is the best. If you want to install Windows 7 you can install it. Here I'm going to choose Windows 10, if you can see. And now what is the VM platform? So I have to choose it as a VirtualBox. That's it, and you have to click on download zip. That's a very easy. Okay, let me increase the some font. Okay, 110. Now click on that download zip. Now I already downloaded it because you can see it is saying 10 hours and 12 hours, so we can't wait for that. So I have already downloaded it. Now what I'm going to do, I will go in this folder and I'm going to unzip it. So extract files. Okay, see here we have this one. Now if you can see, this is the OVA file, right? Now you have to open the VirtualBox. Yeah, now you can see I already have installed Kali Linux. You can do in both ways. You can just click on that new, and from here you can just go and you can choose all those things. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to double click on that. That's it. This is the shortcut method to install these, maybe the Kali Linux or maybe the Windows machine on virtual machine. So double click on that, and here you directly got it, right? So if you can see, the name is the would be this one. Guest is Windows 10, CPU 1, RAM already having the 4 GB, and this is the base folder location, and this is the path, what I am saying, the base folder. So import it. Now let's wait for a couple of minutes because it will take for the importing. So let's wait for a minute. Okay, so it has been installed. You can see that is totally 100% installed. Now what you can do, you can directly open this Windows. Before that you can go through these settings if you want to check all these things in the network settings, right? If you want to do the bridge network, if you want to do the host only adapter, it depends on you, right? So as of now I'm just leaving as a net, but you can do as a bridge network as well, uh, host only adapter as well, and native network as well. So let me show you. Just click on that start. Okay, it's opening. See, it's a Windows 10, but I would recommend you can install Windows 7. That is the best because it takes less size, and that's a much better than Windows 10. In in terms of running the programs actually. It will take some time to open. Okay, getting devices ready. In the background it is settling down all the things, whatever, just like the original Windows, so that's why it is taking time. Great, so it has been installed. And okay, password, what is the password? Let me see what is the password. Description is done. Okay, let's directly go there. Incorrect. Okay, user is wrong. Let's check the password. Okay, so if you can see here, the password is this. I'm copying it from here and I'll paste it, and that password is this one. Okay, now let's again log in. Oh, so it's 0, not it's not O, it's 0 actually. Incorrect password. Okay, let's try with let's try only with password. Why it is showing the wrong password? Okay, it's capital P, I guess. Let's see now. Yeah. So keep remember guys, this is the capital P here and the same password. If you want, you can change it as well after logging into it. See here, so you have successfully just logged in into this, and this is the interface which is already open, and these all are the data which is showing, you know, this is for the 90 days they are showing. And if you want, you can activate in this one, you can read these all these things. That's not a typical part, you can do it. So that's it guys, and that is totally, you know, already okay. Let me again show you in the internal path. Okay, everything is okay. Yeah, right, so that's it in this video, and we'll meet you in the next part of this video. If you have any type of doubt, you can just ping me, you can just comment in the description, and there is 3 to 4 types of courses we already have mentioned in the description, which is free, so you can go through it and you can redeem it freely. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe the channel.